What is up, you guys? Max back here with another video. In this video, I'm going to be doing an install of some more carbon pieces for the interior of my 5th gen Camaro. This is probably going to be the last install I do for the interior of my car as far as carbon fiber goes. I already made a video on the steering wheel pieces and then also the shift knob cover. So this is just going to be the air vents and also the dash piece. So that's pretty much it that I wanted to do. Before I install any of it, I just set out to do the pieces that I've installed. I might do some more in the future, but for now this is going to be it. This is going to be my last video of this little series I'm doing. So I'm going to give you guys a little breakdown of how to install these pieces, and then also at the end I'm going to give you guys my review. So yeah, and then real quick I just want to shout out Carbon Viper. It's where I got all my carbon fiber pieces, where I always buy my carbon fiber, and if you want to use my code, I'll put it on the screen. You'll get a little bit of a discount at checkout. So yeah, let's get right into it. So to start things off, I had to get rid of this magic mount thing for my phone. It was sort of in the way of one of the pieces, which I really did like it, but I had to get rid of it. But so I started out with the top of the center dash. Basically what you want to do is heat up the actual piece, then clean the area with the wipe where you're actually putting that piece, and then peel off that 3M thing in the back. Heat it up one more time just to be sure, because you want to warm it up. And then this is where you got to just be a little more careful. You can obviously do this more than once, but it's probably best if you do it after your first try, just so that the adhesive is the most sticky. Once you get it in the place you want to, give it a good little pat down. Then I did the bottom piece. This is a little tricky here. I did it in two parts. As you can see, I peeled off the top. I put it down, and then I peeled off the bottom and then put that down. So you want to do that in parts. It's probably not the hard, I guess the hardest part. None of it's really too hard at all, but it looks pretty good after you get it done. But just want to be careful with that because it's just like big piece. So yeah, next up I did the air vents. So I started out with the middle, and what you want to do, it's the same process. You just want to heat it up, wipe it down. But I started out with this piece that goes around the air vents, the center air vents, and obviously I just heat that up just like all the other pieces and put that down. Then I just went to going with each individual piece for the center air vents, and this actually ended up looking really good. It's probably my favorite carbon piece, potentially, I don't know, but definitely looks really good at the end here. You guys can see. You guys could be the judge. Leave a comment down below what you guys think about it. Next up I did the side pieces, the side air vents I mean, and these turned out really well. So you just want to start with the top, bottom, and then the left and right pieces, but you guys can see it turned out super nice, and the usability is still there 100%. I know that might have been a big concern for a lot of people considering buying carbon fiber pieces, but the usability is still there. It works just like normal. Alright you guys, that's pretty much it for this video. You guys saw how it was done. You guys saw, very easy, very simple. It just takes a little bit of time and a little bit of patience, and you just want to make sure you're lining everything up properly. Like I said, these pieces are from Carbon Viper. I'll leave the link down in the description, and again put my code up on the screen. But I've had these pieces now for a month or two, I believe it's been now, and everything's held up perfectly well. I live in Chicago, it's extremely cold, nothing's happened to it. I'm excited to see how it holds up over the next period of time, maybe the next few months. Maybe I'll do a little update video on how it's held up, but for now it's been absolutely perfect. It looks great. I love the new look of my car, at least on the interior. It sort of adds a little spice to it. And any questions, leave them down below. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. I try to get back to every single comment. And make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. I'm out.